Bruh. Good morning, guys. I'll teach you how to cook um noodles with egg. Ay, ulam pa. Okay, so first thing you want to do is heat some water. So you're just gonna take your water heater and fill it up with water. And you should dry it first, so it doesn't explode. Then turn it on and wait for a few minutes. Meanwhile, you need to prepare what to cook with. So you need something like this, um a pan. I think it's called a pan. So first you should turn on the switch and turn on the stove, and sometimes this is not gonna work, so you need to check if it's actually heating. Okay, so now you know that it's heating. You can put that to 4 for now. I'm so funny. And you prepare everything, like cut your thing open. Okay, so once you cut your indomie open, you're gonna see there's two packages inside, right? Aside from the indomie, there's two packages. Where's the other one? This is harder than it looks, guys. So you can see here, this one has chili in it. That's the option for you to make your noodles spicy. If you didn't know that, but I'm trying to be helpful. So once your water has heated, you're gonna want to put it in your stove. Make it boil. I think that's working. Where's the lid? How do I cover this? Here you're gonna want to cover that, so the heat is trapped there. Anyways, so for preparation, there's really no preparation. It's just you need to wait for the water to boil. So let's just wait here. Okay, while the water is boiling, let's do some preparation. This is essential if you want to cook noodles. Number one, remove the noodles out of the bag. That is essential if you want to cook noodles. And this is a very important step. There's gonna be leftover crumbs here. What you want to do is stick your hand out and eat them. Because there's some children in the world that don't have access to food. So you just have your noodles laying around. This is also an essential step. You take your egg and you're gonna get some salt. You're just gonna get some on your fingers. And you're just gonna rub it over the egg. Why? I don't know, my dad told me. So now that we're done preparing, we're gonna check if our water's hot. So usually you'll see the water boiling, but if you don't know what that means, you can just always check it if it's above 100 degrees Celsius. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna touch that. Anyways, you can now put your noodles and your egg. I hope this doesn't crack. It's not underwater. You want to get a spoon or something, so you can just shove it in there. There you go. See, it didn't crack. Life hacks, baby. And you're probably just gonna leave it there for 5 minutes. I don't know. It's currently 7:24. I'll come back at 8:35 or something. Look at that, I'm such a chef. Gordon Ramsay, who? Let's go check in on our noodles. That looks good. Let's just check. How long has it been? It's been almost 10 minutes. Um, this is good enough. As long as it looks like noodles, it probably is noodles. So you're gonna want to turn it off. And now, if you are broke, you're probably gonna have to find another tutorial. But if you have a strainer, you can use one. I don't know how you're gonna strain this. I'm not gonna get burned just for. There you go. My phone's probably gonna fall off. And you're just gonna grab this, and this is where the magic is done. You're just gonna. Oh, that's hot. You're just gonna pour it in with the egg. So now you have noodles in here. That's crazy. I didn't know that. You're just gonna make sure there's no extra water. That's a lot of water. No extra water. Now don't drain too much though. So you're just gonna wanna boink. Right now, that's probably gonna melt your fingers. So I just let it cool down, especially the egg. Here's what we're gonna do. So right now, the egg is gonna be really hot for your fingers. So you're just gonna wanna crack it, and let some air out. And here's some advice on how to make your noodles look spicier. So we're gonna grab the spicy. Okay, here is the ingredients needed: scissors and the packets that I mentioned earlier. I don't want to cut it, obviously. Then you're just gonna want to pour that down here. This is so stupid. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. And if you are a, a little twig, you probably wouldn't go for the spicy. So you just use this kumba sauce, bumbu sauce, I don't know. But if you are a Chad like me, and you want to use the chili sauce, it's not even sauce, it's kabe or something. There you go. Boom. What you want to do is give it a good mix. As you can see, this is our current meal right now. We have the side dish, coffee, and noodles with egg. As you can see, it's looking rather delicious. Um, this is like the best meal you'll find. You know, my original recipe and everything. Yeah. How do I commit to? Okay. Once you have served your meal, to your customer, you got the coffee. You got the. Did I put sugar? I think I did. Let's just mix it. Um, you know, you can finally eat it. Let's give a review on this. What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be. I'm so done with this. So, honest review on this recipe. First, we're gonna peel the egg. Damn, this is hot. Ah, this is so stupid. Once you peel the egg, now you can eat it. Also, stay green. Get these eggshells and keep it somewhere. Wash them, blend them, and then what you can do is sprinkle them over some plants that you see, because they give some good phosphorus and stuff. I don't know, I saw it somewhere. I'm just gonna give them to my plants. Okay, time for the honest review. um so we're just gonna as you can see, the egg right there, got that golden yellow inside. Smells good. So the egg, perfect. The noodles, also perfect. And don't forget about the side dish, the coffee, kapeng barako. absolutely amazing. Anyways, I hope you guys like this recipe. Hashtag I'm gonna kill myself.